Hello all, welcome to Think Automation YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about Tosca, Qtest and other Tricentis products, then this will be the right forum for you. Please hit the subscribe button to watch more content like this. Right. The topic for the day will be how to register or sign up for Tosca Cloud environment and what are all the basic features in it. All those stuff we are gonna see today. Yeah, without further delay, let's get into the actual topic of Tosca Cloud and then we'll see some quick introduction about that. After that, we'll jump into the real-time demo. Right. What is Tosca Cloud? Tosca Cloud is nothing but cloud environment or SaaS environment of Tricentis Tosca product. So already we have Tosca in the form of on-premise. Now we have cloud version of it. Do you know how we have Outlook both on-premise desktop-based application and how the web-based version is also there. Like that, Tosca is also coming up with cloud-based version where you can create your test cases, execute your test cases, however you are doing it in your on-premise version. Right. What and all possible in Tosca Cloud as of now? As of now, Tosca Cloud can create test cases for web-based application, API-based applications, and SAP-based application. These three technologies are supported till now, and more technologies will be supported in future. And we can execute your test cases directly from Tosca Cloud, or you can execute your test cases from on-premise version to cloud. Those type of integration is also possible, right? Who can access the Tosca Cloud? If you are having subscription model for Tosca on-premise version, then it will be free of charge for you to access the Tosca cloud version. If you have any other version in your license, then you need to approach Tricentis or your Tricentis point of contact to check how we can access the cloud environment. Still, you can go ahead and register for Tosca Cloud even if you have other type of licenses. You will have trial period of 30 days to explore the Tosca Cloud. Right. Without further delay, let's jump into the real-time demo. First of all, you need to go into the onboarding.tricentis. Just a minute. Onboarding.my.tricentis.com, where you can perform the registration option. I will give this link in the description box so that you can navigate it easily. Right. Once you hit the onboarding.my.tricentis.com, you will see an option to enter your email, all those stuff. So for that, I'm just generating a temporary mailbox. I'm just giving the random names here for trial version. Right. I'm just accepting the privacy policy. Right. After clicking the continue button, I will receive an verification to code to my email boxes. I'm just checking that. Like this, you will receive an verification code, OTP kind of stuff, where you can verify your email address. Once you verify that, for example, if you belongs to one organization, right, that organization may have already created Tosca Cloud. In some cases, someone from your organization may created the Tosca Cloud instance already. If you want, you can go ahead and request to join. That person will approve your request. After that, you will be able to launch. Otherwise, if you are the person who is doing the POC for the first time, you will not see this screen itself. Directly you will navigate to next screen. Okay, like this. Once you click on this create new organization, you'll see you will ask to input your company details. I'm just giving XYZ1. As of now, these two regions are supported from data retention point of view. Still, you can go ahead and register with any other country, but from data perspective, these are the two regions available in Tosca Cloud as of now. Right. You are going to create a URL for your Tricentis Tosca Cloud environment. Typically, it should be same as your company name, but you can give any name for your Tosca Cloud URL. So whatever the stuff you are giving here in the URL, that will be your Tosca Cloud URL to access to everyone to access this. I'm just entering my password now. Right. Once you enter this, it will be getting registered like this. Once you will have terms and condition to approve. You need to read through these terms and condition thoroughly. After that, you can scroll down to bottom, and then you'll have an option to accept it. Just click on accept. Once you did that, it will creating a tenant for you. Basically, the URL refers to tenant here. It will create a tenant for you. So once all of these process, the home page of the Tosca Cloud will be opening automatically. It is almost completed. The last part is pending now. Let's give it a minute so that the Tosca Cloud environment will be ready by that time. All right, all processes are getting completed now. Now we are getting redirected to home page of the Tosca Cloud. This will be your home page where you can see 30 days remaining license. You will have an option to activate your license as well, that I will go through in some time. So you have an option to download, edit your test cases. For all of that, you have documentation. You have the documentation link as well here. Right. What are all features we have till now? First thing, what you need to do, you need to come to your user menu where you can see some options. You see invite teammate where you can add your additional team members to access the same environment. You can give that access all those stuff. In addition to that, you can navigate to settings where you can see that workspace option. So by default, you'll have couple of workspaces where you have default, which is the default workspace for the Tosca Cloud, and you have sample workspace where you have sample test cases and execution list. Everything is getting imported automatically there. You can create your additional workspace based on your stuff. What is this workspace is referred to? Common repository in your Tosca on-premise version. How many common repository you have in on-premise, you can create similar number of workspaces here. After that, if you go into my plan, where you have an option to see what is the trial period, what and all you have inside this plan. And in addition to that, you have an activate license link here. If you click on this, it will open a pop-up where if you have the activation code already for your product license, you can just click on activate. And once you do that, this trial period will be changed to required number of days. Right. Let me go to home page again. So here you can see you have option to create your test cases. That is the first toggle you have in the page where you can add and create all your test cases with test steps. I will be creating detailed videos on each of these feature, how you need to navigate, how you need to utilize that, but just giving the overview and basic features now. Playlist is nothing but your execution list in your Tosca where you have set of test cases arranged in specific format. And test cases are the equivalent to test cases in your Tosca on-premise version. You have an option to simulate your AP as well. For that, we do have these sections. Inventory is nothing but your module section and reusable test step library. Both are combined in the inventory section. And finally, you have test run section where you have the test run logs, even if it is executed in Scratchbook in the form of personal agent here in Tosca Cloud, or if it is executed via playlist, whatever the test cases that you are executing, those are all will get logged here. Right. That's all about how you can register yourself in Tosca Cloud environment, how you can get the overview about all the features. So in coming videos, we will be also see how we can integrate Tosca on-premise with your Tosca Cloud, how we can upload your existing Tosca test cases to cloud version, how we can execute them. All those stuff we are gonna see in upcoming videos one by one. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will keep receiving the notification whenever I upload the video. Already I have uploaded video about Tosca Copilot where you can handle how you can utilize the AI features of Tosca. If you want to learn more about, I will give the description box with the video link and in the information button as well. Please go and check it out. All right, that's it. That's all about today's topic. Happy learning. Goodbye, everyone.